If there's regular tools that you use in Microsoft Word that take you a little bit of time to find, it can be really handy to put them up here on the Quick Access Toolbar. Now, one of the most common things you might use is the snipping tool, which you can activate by holding down the Shift key, the Windows key, and the letter S. But let's just say we wanted to add it to the Quick Access Toolbar. Click the drop arrow beside the Quick Access Toolbar, choose More Commands, and from here we're going to go to All Commands because they're listed in alphabetical order. Just be mindful that what it's called might not be what you think it's called. So I know that this is called the snipping tool, so I'm just going to scroll down to the letter S. Okay, and in actual fact this is called screen clipping. So I'm going to click on it here, and then I'm going to click Add, and it's added on here, and I just click OK. The icon now sits up there and it'll be available for me anytime. Now, if I want to do a quick screen clipping, rather than have to locate the screen clipping by coming to the Insert tab and choosing Screenshot, or by going Window Shift S, I can now simply click the icon and it activates.